Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Tanyar Stays and Tips. As you see, guys, today we are on a picnic in a cottages by the name of birkelund. It's a really nice and beautiful place. It's between Oslo and Bergen. They have really good facilities, really good qualities. Now I'll show you guys another one, like the place that we are in. Now I'm going to show you guys one of their rooms. That is, there is two toilets and douche for women and for men. It is separately. The owner of this place, the owner of cottages, is a really nice, kind man. He is like we have been to other places, but here is like much cheaper than other places. Then I can put the link below the description to if someone is coming to Norway, so they can put the video, like they can come to here. There are really nice rooms, like I will show you guys the family home where we are living. Like that's our, and these are like I don't know how much rooms they have. So now we are going to check. One of them is like you see, guys, it is really nice and really clean. They are cleaning it in a very fantastic way. As you see, guys, every cottage has a coffee machine, a fridge, um, cupboard for clothes, and it's a kitchen. You can make your own food here also, and you can make it over there. Then I will show you guys the big kitchen, which is for everyone, and this is for 5 people. As you see, guys, 3 single beds and 1 double bed, and here is a dining table. So it is really good. Then I can ask the owner how much is per night. For example, for two for example 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, I'm sorry, not bedroom, 3 beds, 2 beds, and yeah. So we can go and ask how is the price for that. The place is really calm, really good, really like really nice place, guys. I really recommended this place for you guys. You see, everything you think which you need is here. So the cleaning stuff, the home, everything is perfect. So it's a little bit wind outside. If it is a little bit noise in my voice, so I'm sorry about it. But yeah, so this one is for 5 people. Then we can ask him how much is, for example, for 2 people, for 5 people. My sister, they have been to a place like it was in Hammer or Lillehammer, but they are telling that it's really good in price and the cleaning things, and it's amazing. So yes, then I can show you guys other things also. See, it's just like you are in the haven. It's like a haven, guys. It's really calm, really good, really perfect. So as you see, guys, here is 2 toilets for men, for men and women. It is separately. I can show you guys how the toilets look like. Here is the toilets, and it's really the person is making or keeping it really clean. And the good thing with it is that it have soap in toilets, toilet papers, and and um, paper for drying your hands. So these are the toilets. We can go to them. These two are very historical that we see these two. Yeah, here actually before in Norway the cottages was like that, just a small windows, nothing more, but in nowadays it has been really changed. And I'm going to show you guys the kitchen also. I think there over there maybe it's for two people because it's a little bit smaller than those that I have shown you guys. Here is the kitchen and TV hall. So the kitchen looks like that, like this. There are three dining tables and some games for children, books, lots of game stuffs, and a big TV. And here is the uh, like microwave, oven, and these things. So it's really nice. I recommended you guys to come here. You will not regret here. Then yeah, here is, I think, this is the address of this place. And this is not paid. This is not something that like paid advertising. No, nothing else. Just because I liked it, and the service is completely amazing. So that's why I thought let's make a video and recommend others. So because it's too much wind, maybe my voice will a little bit be cut. So in here I can stop and just I go around and I will show you guys how it looks like. And here, as you see guys, like this place, it is completely new. He bought this newly, so that's why it's a little bit work on it. The owner is working to make this place completely good and nice, like when it's raining, so the clothes and such things will be not dirty. So here are the small cottages. I think it's for two people, two bedrooms, sorry, two beds, not bedrooms. And it looks like that. I think it is it is 15 or 20 cottages, but the cottage that we are staying is completely new. They have built it new, and he think that maybe he will change these also, maybe, I don't know. But I will show inside of my cottage also for you guys. So it is a really nice place. And there that you're seeing, there are a place for uh, camps. People can camp, can camp and make some tent or something like that. Um, in here, as you see, guys, some people have rent this place also because it is the season that it's too difficult to get the cottages. You have to book it for 1 month before. So those who couldn't, so they are coming and just making camping here. And some people came in here, as you see these places. So here is for the camping cars. So at night it was too much crowd of people here. uh, so yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys like it. Those who lives in Norway, especially in Bergen, Oslo, Lillestrøm, just try once here. And the good thing is that there is a kiwi, um, and I think Rima Tuzan. They are like 3 minutes in car, so you can find the food, everything. So it's a really nice place. And yes, that was it. I hope you guys like the video. And those who are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. So before I say goodbye, I'm going to show you guys inside of my cottage also. Then we can say goodbye.